Hello everybody, welcome back to the stream. If you're a new viewer, I welcome you. If you're a regular viewer, welcome back. As you all know, the main purpose of the stream is just to help anybody out with any computer issues or problems that they might have. As for me, as always, as what I am doing, I'm always trying to fix my own computer issues. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat below. Okay, let me just share this and that. Thank you. Happy New Year to you as well. Well, in here it's still not New Year's. It's only 3:45, but I'm guessing in your time zone it's already New Year. So Happy New Year for you. Hope it was a great one. This one. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Everybody's support has been incredible. I still don't believe it, but I'm believing it. Why do you feel so low? What's making you feel like that? Like, you know that feeling of nothing. Come on, don't feel like that. There's always something. It just takes time, you just gotta look for it. You got this. Yeah, sorry about those noises. It's the neighbor. I may have done nothing aloneness and I feel and feel like I don't stand at the same priority for other people like they do for me. Then it's not stupid. Don't compare yourself to others. You shouldn't do that. That's one thing. Don't compare yourself to others. You should just keep doing you. Just keep showing yourself more of yourself. Keep being more yourself. Only focus on you. Doesn't matter how long it takes, just try to do it. That's what's important for us. For everybody, honestly. Don't say that. There's always something to do that you feel that you achieve it yourself. There's always a dark time for everybody. But that doesn't mean we'll get there. It just takes time. You can do it. That's okay. Like anybody can cry. Doesn't matter. Well, I'm not saying that it doesn't matter. As in, like, you just gotta relieve those emotions, feel it, and then you'll improve yourself over time. You'll be fine. What am I doing? What I'm doing? I am trying to install VMware Workstation and see if I can get running a macOS on it, so I can try to see if I can pass through my phone and see if I can show it, if I can view my phone in the macOS. I have tried other methods and it's still not working, so I'm now just installing VMware Workstation. There we go. I hope it works, because last time that I tried to do this, my computer froze for whatever reason, and my stream stopped since I'm doing this all on the same computer. So I hope that doesn't happen again. Hey Sado, how's it going? What GPU are you using? Oh, which one I'm using? I'll show you right now. Fast fetch. I'm using the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Lite. This is, if I'm not mistaken, this is the 12GB version. I think so. Let me refresh my memory. The about. It doesn't tell me here. I was thinking I should try making a YouTube channel, like 100 videos or 100 programs. You could try. You just gotta do something that feels like you, like your niche, basically. Say though, that's my GPU, man. 3060. I do have another computer, but I need to actually format that one because I'm actually gonna make a new Promox, a bare metal one, and I don't want to use any more virtual machine ones. There's always a little issue. Hey, C-Tech, how's it going? You're having issues with setting up Forge Joe server? For your server? Forge Joe server? I have never heard about this. A self-hosted lightweight software forge, easy to install and low maintenance. It just does the job. Huh. Oh, I never tried this. I could get into it and make a video about how to set it up. Russia, you could try, man. I don't know why you're not streaming in AV1 because it's locked behind the RTX 40 series. Really, I didn't know that. There's so many, there's some features from NVIDIA say though that just get discontinued depending on the version that you're using for NVIDIA graphics cards. It's a bit of annoyance. Forge is basically a TF4. Think like an open source version of GitHub. Okay, I'll think about it like that. Because if I can figure it out how to install it, then I can make a video about it. Well, at least that's what I would like to try to do. And though I never heard about it before. End of support? January 15? Oh, what? In the next coming weeks, there's not gonna be more support? Oh, that sucks. Okay, what happened to this? What happened to this virtual machine that I had set up? Star snapshot. Yep. It's really weird right now. First you stream as in 260 foot and now it's BP. I don't know why, but it helps the lags are gone on my side. That's odd. I still think it's because of me, because I have crappy internet and I want to switch to the other one that I had some time back, but I just can't afford it. If I can switch to that one, I will never have more YouTube issues on either side. Well, at least in this case for my side, so that way you guys don't see it buffering or lagging. That's it. When it's always an issue, it's always on my side, and YouTube is fine. At least that's from what I heard from others. I'm surprised you're saying that now, Seda. Well, that's good. Another thing that's a little bit odd to me on the YouTube streaming side is that you're right now at chatting on the chat, and it's telling me that there are no viewers in the chat. So that's a little odd. Maybe you two have unlocked. could could be possibly, but I don't know. Hey Joe. Joe, imagine using Ubuntu. What do you mean imagine using Ubuntu? I am using it. Well, as a virtual machine, Joe. Never mind, video calls, loading screen on my side. I'm guessing that's my fault. Let's see if we can actually get it up and running. What's up, little guy? I need Docker. Oh, okay. Well, I was gonna try it without Docker, but if it's faster, okay, I'll give it a try. I wanna see if I can do it without Docker. Because sometimes I do use Docker. Sometimes I just get confused with the IP assignments that it has. Because sometimes I don't know which one is the correct one to open. And then my program just is not open publicly or to do a tunnel. But if I'm having too many issues, then I'll switch to Docker. It will force you to connect a database. A database? Okay. Well, let's see how it goes. Let's view it. Sudo, make it executable. Postgres usually? Okay, I can do that. How much is your upload speed? Supposedly, my upload speed is around, I think it's 25 megabytes or 100, but it never reaches that. And my download is like 200 or 300, but it doesn't reach that. It's really crappy service. So I'm not paying for that, but that's what we're having right now. Like the other service that I had was just so much better. Man, upload speed, I would say maybe like 10 or 15 megabytes last time that I checked. Oh no, yeah, I know it's completely fine. Like, the problem here isn't the speed with this internet company. The problem is the being stable. That's the whole stupid problem with this company. It's not stable in terms of if you download something, it never goes to a good speed. It always goes to crappy speeds. That's the thing that I don't like about it. Like, I prefer being stable for speed instead of having more speed. Same goes with download or upload. Both actually. My God, recently I've been raging over Wi-Fi on my laptop. It's just trolling me at this point. Okay, then that could be C-Tech. I actually had a similar experience, and I found out the Wi-Fi adapter of my laptop was malfunctioning. So what I did was use like those USB plugins and see if it was better the service, because using another Wi-Fi adapter I could see improvement in the download speed and upload speed. Using the one built in the computer, I could see horrible speeds. It was that, use a plugin one, or literally take out the PCI Wi-Fi and put a new one, a new modular. That's what fixed it. I think they work, but after like maybe some time, they just start to break down. I just think they're not that good. Leave the microphone alone. You're not gonna touch that. Little crazy parrot. How much bitrates you use for OBS encodes? Say though, so personally, how much I think it's set up right now, it's around, I think, 10,000. I think that was my bitrate. Like, I'll check it real quick before I continue this. I feel that C-Tech, that I think mine is overheating, or it's just like you said, it's trolling me, because it's like it has its good days and its bad days. It'll be really fast, and then I'll just switch. At one point, I had 3 different USB Wi-Fi adapters connected to the computer, and I would disconnect each one of them just to try them out. Now, stop it. Do not go for the mic. Just go for the keyboard. Like, I'll check. Yes, I'm sorry, Jesus. Where was it? I think it's here. Is it here? No. I don't think I can see it now, I guess. No. Ah, here it is. Oh yeah, 10,000. Supposedly this is what's recommended me. I feel the same way. C-Tech, my parrot. Right now they're trying to mess up a floppy disk. Soon I'll have a camera and you guys might see the craziness that's happening in my desk. So 10,000. Now let's see how to run this. $10K is fine for 265. Doesn't really like their it wants 15. I personally use my headset mic whenever my cat tries to knock over my mic. Pets, they get really crazy sometimes. I just put some extra stuff so they'll get they will ignore what I'm doing. But if I'm at, let's say for example, if I'm touching the keyboard, sometimes they'll go back to the keyboard. And if it's the laptop one, that's where I draw the line. Like, no, back the hell away, because you like to break stuff. That's funny. YouTube doesn't really like. So wait, so say, should I up it to 15,000 on the next stream? Because like I'm not even sure what to put on there. Like I would just put the recommendation and that's it. Because I just want this stream thing to just run smoothly. But if you can literally see, look at this, Dad. I hate when that happens. Oh my god, I hope the stream is still running. I personally would set it up to around 7,000 and H265. I'm gonna keep that in mind. I will forget this. Not gonna lie, but I recently replaced my home server Raspberry Pi to a PC and don't regret it. It's hella cool to mess around with VMs. It really is. I still have my Raspberry Pi. I mostly use it just for media, for a media server. And for storage, I'll just connect it by like a NAS. Sometimes I'll just connect like external storage to it with the available USB slots, and it just works. I only use my Pi to flash ROM. Really? But then, what? Just to flash? Like, what exactly are you flashing? Just use it for that only. It never crossed my mind to do that. Okay, so it says it's running. But if you do that, don't you get like the anxiety that you put the wrong one and it just doesn't want to turn on? At least I get that anxiety whenever I want to do some flashing. Well, that's just me personally. Okay, so they're running. What's the IP of my computer? 10.10.10.10.10.69 169 3000. Okay, so this is a setup. Always back up the BIOS chip before flashing. Modded. That's good. I did do backups, but whenever it's more hardware related, let's just say I forget. So I'm gonna have to do that more often. Okay, but let's see if we can actually get this running. So I'm supposed to have MySQL. You said Progress, Postgres, then we'll use that one. I'll need to install it first. Okay, so here's the server. That's where it's running. Okay, there's a login here. That's me. So that's actually what we want. So detect the login, perfect. So now let's use this one to. First up, do I have any updates? I ain't gonna annoy myself doing this. Okay, we do have updates. I do want to run those and then continue on. You don't say. Remind me later. So wait a second, Sato. You just flash the ROM. You don't do anything else with the Pi besides flashing, like a program or something. Well, that's just me talking, but okay. Wait a minute. You flash it. What different? What changes? I know it changes depending on what you put on, but what are you adding to make it better? And remote UART for devices, nice to have. Remote UART devices? What is that? I need to search that up. it's to the debug port. That's cool. Not gonna lie, now that I use a PC, I'm thinking of turning my Pi into a KVM to connect to a PC HDMI port. That's not a bad idea. You could use it like a remote viewing. I think I remember I saw a video, no, a program that actually does that, and it's how you're describing it. Yeah, that does run Linux. Like some of these programs, they just make them so simple. They don't make it like GUI. It's all basically terminal based. Did you never try to use the magic packet? Like wake on LAN? Okay. So, and why I use it? Because you can repair BIOS with it or add like in old devices NVMe drivers or read out the BIOS. Oh, that's pretty neat. That just goes way on technical there. I actually never thought about that. I know I thought that could be done, but doing it that way, that's curious as hell. I should have done something like that some time back. Okay, oh that's right, okay, this is installed. So we're in the server. Now we just need to set it up. I'm here, it detected my login, that's good. Ah, this is still loading, goddammit. Ah, finally. So let's check. You said you're using for database PostgreSQL. So I'm gonna use that one. So I'm in the same page as you. SQL. SQL. Do I have it installed? I think I don't have it, so here we go. Yep, let's install it. Okay, that's gonna take a little bit. Okay, there. Okay, now let's see if it's enabled. Status. Pose. Okay, yeah, it's enabled and it's active. Okay, so it's running. Now, what we need to do is we need to create a user. So I would keep everything the same as this. The name of everything as this. So create user for Jello. Oh no, wait, for Jojo. When passing. Oh crap, that's right. Thanks. Oops. Oh wow, that's around what we have here in terms of pain. I think we pay a little bit more. I think it's $80, but that's a whole lot better than my internet service. I'm gonna put the password the same as the name. Honestly, better internet than that sounds a lot better than what I have. Which I wish I was living in your country for that better service. Let go of the microphone. Create, oh god. Database for Jello owner for Jello. I'm not sure if this is needed. UTF-8 Okay. Grant all privilege on database. For Jojo 2 for Jojo. Okay, and now we just quit. Now that's created. Here for holes, it's gonna be this one since it's on the same computer. It's not on another computer. And German is not really good in internet speed. We're not even in the top 25. US is top 8. Even if it's not considered the best, 64 is still a very big place. And if it's, to me, you telling me that, and you think it's better, I'm going with your option. The password, the same as this one. Database, yeah. SSL, we don't want to use that. Leave blank for database default. Schema, okay. Instant title. Enter your instant name here. It will be displayed on every page. Oh, okay. So a name, a slogan. You know what? Let's keep it all default. Repository root. Okay. Git files track. User leave empty to disable. User to run as, yeah, the operating system user that runs. Note that this user must have access to the repository root pad. Yes, we do. Server domain. Yeah. Yep, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Email settings. Server and third party. Enable local, enable that. Okay, what else is in here? CAPTCHA. Require sign in. I don't think I'm gonna use any of these. Create an administrator account is optional. We can't. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm guessing it's just optional if you want to use them. Exactly. That would be my same reaction. So okay. So let's just put this back. That as well, and install. Let's see what happens. And now, cannot test git command. Executable file. Oh wait, I don't think I have git installed on this. Gotcha. Okay, so those are the other things that I need. I do gotta, let me just make some notes so I don't forget what I'm doing. So I just downloaded this from here. Codeberg.org. The other thing that I did was I ran it, give it some permissions. Except if I don't do this, I'm gonna forget what I did. Install PostgreSQL. Okay, that should be enough for me now. Oh yeah, install Git. There. Sudo apt install Git. Yeah, I do want to install that. I might update the BIOS. On my home server PC. Because it's just shut off again and it's not even overheating. CTech. I would check, do you have a power supply tester, like equipment? Because that sounds like your power supply is having issues. I would check that, man. Salo makes a good point. Or you could also check if the BIOS, stop with the mic please. You could also check if the BIOS, if it doesn't have like a, oh my gosh, a timer on power. Like it auto restarts itself or it shuts itself off after a long period of inactivity. Okay, so the database settings are invalid. So I'm guessing this is where we're stuck. Okay, there's this. Let's check here. I did not mean to go there. So this is where it's telling me to go online. Oh no, I don't like wireless keyboards. I like to have everything wired. I know it's a mess. So online it says to go here. Okay, so it says to go here and find something here called this database administration location by Unix. So it says here to change this one. Wait, no. Find local. Okay, this one. And change it to scram. That's what it's telling me online. No, not equal. So I restarted. We ran it. Let's see the status. Everything's good. Let's try that again. If it doesn't want to do it like that, you cannot disable user self-registration without creating an administrator account. Oh. No, I'll create. It says you cannot disable self-registration. Okay then, disable that, install. Okay, I guess it's doing something. C-Tech, is it like a really old computer by any chance? Because if you switch power supplies and that didn't fix the issue, you had a spare one. There there could be another resolve to that. So the other thing that it could be, since it's not a power supply issue, it might be. Okay, that's pretty modern. Okay, then this is me thinking because I this happened to me. Uh, so it might have a, no, not this, a inflated capacitor. So I want to show you like an example. These things. You see how it looks like inflated, like these things? These might be the old capacitors, but when you have a capacitor like this, oh look, these are the new ones. That's what I wanted to show. Like if any of your capacitors in the motherboard are like this, it's gonna shut off because it's not receiving power. This is another possibility on why the computer is shutting off randomly. It could be that you have an inflated capacitor. Usually that's always the issue. You gotta literally replace it and put a newer one of the same capacity or a little bigger. But these things, even the new ones, it does happen. But you would notice this, a good one would stay flat. That's when they're good. Like here's the difference. This is a good one, this is bad. Just having this little issue could cause the computer to not turn off, or like how it's happening to you randomly, it shuts off. Since you already tried two different power supplies, then that theory is out of why it's not working. I mean, as in like the power supply is working correctly. So we can actually just take out that theory and move to capacitor. I will check your motherboard for these things. Since you said it's 2017, so you might look for one of these. Swollen, yeah. And if you're really, really lucky, you cannot even see the damaged cabs because the damage is under it. Oh, Goda, what? I have never seen that. Sato, under it? I have never seen that. You imagine multiple of these inflated or swollen? You gotta do a lot of soldering on these things. But under it, ah man, that's a pain in the ass. CS1 is a little pain. But having multiples, that's a big pain. So what happened with this? Oh, there it is. Wait, what would be the oh crud. I just noticed I didn't make a username. Uh, oh shit. Yeah, failed authentication because I failed to make a username. Oh wait. Oh, here we go. Now let's just do my name. No email. At noemail.com. Let's see. What's this? Oh, it has to be bigger. Fine. There we go. Oh, that's cool. Oh, now I see why you said this is like GitHub. So it worked for me, C-Tech. I'm not sure if it worked for you now. So the only difference is in terms of going into the project go, the SQL, I just put the default local IP, which was this one, 127.1. I'll make a video about it. Seems pretty simple. Why are you so active now? And I also did go to, before I forget, so oh yes, I went to this here, to this configuration, and I changed this part here. It was this from peer to scram. Oh really? That are defective but look fine? Oh, I do want to see that. let's see. Ah, I see it now. Huh, I never noticed it like that. It's like battery acid. Now that I think about it, I'm definitely gonna keep this in mind whenever I have more problems on my own. Oh, someone did hear. The nearest aircraft have this fault more often than just like a broken toe. I will need to see that if it happens again. Okay guys, give me a few minutes, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get myself a drink and some snacks. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put this on break mode. I'll be back guys. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back now. Oh, hey, Respawn. How's it going, man? Oh wait, he just sent me a message. Say though. Oh, now I see. It's the same. It leaks, but they're not inflated or swollen. You chilling? That's true. They have newer. They had solid ones, but this I was showing earlier that this could happen. It's a possibility. It could happen like this. Installer Fedora Go on your laptop. Oh, so not you decided to go with Fedora in the end. I wonder if CTech was able to figure this out.